Let me answer this question like this: how I was becoming a new member of International Referral. So when I was honored by receiving an invitation from London headquarters, I was at first checking who of other colleagues in Germany have already joined. So I found a previous partner, Christoph Gerdertz, who is running an IP boutique in Frankfurt. And I was calling him asking, what is your experience with IR? And then he was very friendly in recommending International Referral highly. And he said, you know, I received within shortest time 2 really big referrals coming from China, and I would have never had the opportunity to get access to those clients who I very much appreciate. And then he was reporting about the open-mindedness of International Referral and recommending it to me in a very convincing way. So I decided myself to join and follow the invitation. And so I would, in the same way, recommend a membership in International Referral, not only because you cannot apply to become a member, you have to be chosen with your practice. You have to go through a qualifying process which secures the quality and professionality of your practice. And this is obvious. Meeting now all the colleagues here in London at the conference, it is really impressive, outstanding professionals whom you meet and talk. And of course, all what was said, it is a fantastic cultural environment to meet with colleagues who are used to work on an international basis with highly cultural capabilities and professional capabilities as well, and all the disciplines you can get into whenever your client needs the assistance. So I would recommend International Referral, and I myself had the pleasure to convince colleagues and friends already to join, and they are happy the same way as I am.